TCSG has upgraded the KMS Reports portal to Cognos Analytics Release 11.1. It is a significant new release with AI functionality and a host of other updates. In particular, be on the lookout for improvements in the areas of reporting, data modules, and data exploration. I have a sample report open. While the new user interface is mostly unchanged, many time-saving features were added. You can now pin the dynamic toolbar to the top of the reporting screen for easier interaction. To use the Cognos menu, there is now a home icon at the top left to return to the welcome screen. When using the Cognos menu, the width can now be manually resized for the user's preferences. Your recently used reports are now displayed in the space on the welcome page and can also be removed. Thank you for watching KMS Reports Portal, Cognos Analytics Release 11.1. For more information about TCSG's KMS portal, please view our other instructional videos posted to this YouTube channel.